Hi everyone, this is Christine Josty from Mail Something Pretty, and I'm showing you how I'm assembling these card kits I made up for anyone who wanted a card kit. We can't send any stamped images in the mail per Stampin' Up! Policy, so I came up with some cards that are all cutouts and just papers, and so I'm just showing you how to put them together. So thank you if you purchased a kit or if you're just watching. Thanks for watching my videos. So I'm going to do 2 cards per video, and these 2 are the Dragonfly cards, and I'll start with this one. And so everything unique is coming in your envelope if you got the kit, but I'll tell you kind of the color. So this is Old Olive card base. It's a standard card size. This is it's an old paper. I have no idea what it was called, but it's retired a while ago. And then this is, I don't remember the measurements. It was 3 by 4 1/4, and I embossed it with the leaf. I think it's actually retiring, the leaf embossing folder. And then I cut out the Dragonfly in the it's a Grapefruit Grove foil paper, and it was a celebration item from last year, from 2019. But it's perfect for a dragonfly, right? Because they're always like iridescent. So this one is a pretty simple card. I'm just gonna kind of put up the layers, and that will be that. So just kind of put this on there. The Dragonfly was from the, I think it was called Detailed Dragonflies, the dies. I had a matching stamp set, and that retired last year. And it was very sad because I used it lots and lots of times. I just wanted to show you. So in your kit, I didn't poke out all your holes. So you can use, this is called a take your pick tool, or it's a paper piercer, and you can punch out all your little pieces. Sometimes if you just wriggle it, some of them fall out. You can use a toothpick, little edges of scissors, whatever can get those little pieces out. And I'm just going to use 2 little mini dimensionals. If you have only the big ones, you can cut them in half. There's actually a couple little pieces still left on the back here. And I'll just put it on like that. So that one comes together really quickly, but I just love the shimmer of it with that foil paper. And then you can stamp whatever you like on the inside. Okay, and this next Dragonfly, these cutouts came from the same die set as the other one, and I actually used the lovely lipstick foil paper that came with the grapefruit one. It was both of them came in the pack for celebration last year. It's just fun, foil. But the design of this card, a demonstrator friend of mine gave me this birthday card a couple of years ago, and I just loved the fold of it. So I just save it, and that's what I do with certain folds. I just save the cards, I write the measurements on the inside, and so then every once in a while I'll bring them back. And so I'll show you how I cut it. So the card base is 11 by 5 1/2, and then I scored, actually I guess I scored it this way. It's at 1 1/4, 4, and 6 3/4. You can kind of see that's the measurements of the card. And so I'm just going to fold, kind of like a zigzag fold, back and forth, like that. So it doesn't, I guess it's kind of a Z card, not really a Z card. And then I cut all your papers out already. I'll tell you what the measurements are. I need one more. So the bottom is 5 1/4 by 4. It's kind of usually a standard background for a card base. And this is old paper. I have no idea where it's from. And then this, I forget. These two panels are the same. So 2 1/2 by 5 1/4. And this is where you can write your message or stamp your, or you know, if you want to stamp an image or write your message on that panel. And this is the same size. I don't even think these papers were in different packs, but I know that they were they had the same Calypso coral in them. And then this is a lighter shade of it, so I knew they kind of matched even though they really didn't come together. I think this is an inch, yeah. So this is an inch. We're going to put in this, both the front and the back, an inch by 5 1/4. So you can mix up your packs of papers. You just want to make sure they kind of coordinate together. Okay, so when it's folded, it looks like that, and then you open it up. And then we're just going to add the dragonfly. So I'm just going to use some glue. I see a little piece that didn't get poked out yet. So you can put your dragonfly really wherever you want. If you want it tucked in more, or if you want it overhanging more, wherever you want it. So just, you're probably going to put the glue on the back of some of the bodies there. So remember, wherever you put the, I forgot already, wherever you're going to put the glue. And what I did on this one, I kind of lined up the body on this seam here, and I think I'll do the same thing. So I think I'm going to put glue on all the bodies. Just hold it down for a second. But you can see in the card Carol gave me, you know, she used a square that she inverted onto a diamond shape. You can put circles, you can put anything on it, but it's a fun fold, a fun design to use over and over, and you really can change up the look of it. Okay, so that's that card. So these are the two from this video, the dragonflies. The next video I'm going to make is on the poppy cards. So thank you again for watching. This is Christine Josty from Mail Something Pretty.